welcome again to another video. We're stuck in the truck, so it's going to be a little poor, but we're doing jokes. So I don't know if we're funny, but we'll try to be. Alright, here we go. What's the difference between a tyre and 365 used condoms? What do you reckon?
There's something to do with rubber.
One's a good year, the other's a great year. Oh, here's a good one. Why does Santa have such a big sack?
Please don't tell us it's got something to do with kids.
He only comes once a year. Blue balls! What do mafia and pussies have in common? One slip of the tongue and you're in deep shit. What did the banana say to the vibrator?
You can't do better.
Why are you shaking? She's gonna eat me. Why does Dr. Pepper come in a bottle?
I don't know why.
Because his wife's dead. Oh yeah, that's not a good one. I'm going to skip that one. That's just a little bit wrong. What's the difference between a pregnant woman and a light bulb? I've got 2 kids, he's got 1, so we know all about this. You can unscrew a light bulb. Oh! What do you call a lesbian dinosaur? Lick a lot of puss. Oh! Alright, that's it because my arm's getting sore. I need to get a device to hold this phone up. Thank you for watching the video. Any comments? Please hit us up. If you want us to film something, you got an idea that you want us to film and I haven't thought of it myself and you're smarter than me and I want to use your idea, hit us up on the comments. Have a good day everyone. See you later. From Australia, Melbourne City.